Hey guys, what are you doing out here? Don't you know it is hot as ever? Come on in and cool down. It is fall after all. Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hello, hello, sweet friends. How's it going? Happy Monday. I told you I'd be back on Monday. It is the official home tour. Yes, my official 2021 home tour. Wow. My official fall home tour. Guys, I've worked so hard on this house. I mean, I haven't been in this house very long at all. And I got it painted and I got it decorated. And then I took everything down and decorated for fall. And I love it. I absolutely love it. I think this year, my fall decor really speaks for itself. I think I did things way out of the box. It was very difficult getting into the fall spirit now here in Southwest Florida. It's in the high 80s. Who are we kidding? This is summer. I mean, it's just summer. But I love it. In my home, it really feels like fall, and I want to share it with you guys. So, grab yourselves a wonderful cup of coffee, a cold drink, an iced tea, whatever you all like. Sit back, relax, and I'm going to take you through a fall tour. And I got a few things up my sleeve. So I'll see you in the end. Hello, my sweet friends, and welcome to my house. Okay, guys, I am really excited to show you the house and all the little details that I have done, and I hope you enjoy this tour, and I hope you find lots of decorating inspiration to, think outside the box and do some really fun, cute things in your house for the fall season. I love pillows and blankets. Not that we need blankets here in Southwest Florida in the fall, but they do look really nice and cozy in the living room. And here's a little tip. I like to use my napkins to add some extra texture and interest when I do a little side tables or anything like that. And you'll see little napkins or tea towels pretty much everywhere. I know I never showed the centerpiece on my coffee table, but don't worry, you'll get a better look at it later. And here's my wall unit. I did switch it up just a tiny bit after the video. I did a collab video with my friend Liz, and we decorated our shelves together. I just added a few more little things and these lights, and I really, really like the lights at night, especially at night. I love how I added a lot of black and white this year. I love it. Isn't that pillow the cutest? Guys, I have collected so much fall stuff throughout the years that it was really hard deciding what I was going to use this year and what I wasn't not going to use this year. And I have a huge collection, huge collection. Okay, here's another view of the house. Doesn't that look so fallish? I love it. If you've been with me for a while, you know I love to shop. And this year, I really didn't shop a lot for the fall season. I really tried to use what I have and decorate with it. And I'm starting to notice styles are changing a little bit. So maybe next year, hopefully next year, we will be shopping a lot more for the new styles. Okay, here's my mantle, and I wanted to show you this. When I did the decorate with me on my mantle, I had 2 different vases, and the mantle was a little bit different. But one of my vases fell and broke. So I bought those 2 new vases from Hobby Lobby. If you're interested, they're very, very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. Okay, let's go into my dining room. Here's that vase that I originally had 2 of them on my fireplace. And I didn't know what to do with this little niche. So this actually just worked out perfect. I love my dining room. I know it's really traditional. It's very traditional. And you know what? I'm embracing it. So what's more traditional than blue and white? Blue and white pumpkins. This was so much fun to make. And you guys loved it on the video. You loved that we did this together. And I really, really love my blue and white collection all together with the fall colors in the Hajj. It looks so nice together. But I really do want to change out this dining room. So we'll see what happens in the future. You'll have to stick with me and find out what I do. Let's take one more look at the living room because I just think it's so cozy and so inviting. And I wish I could invite all you people over to have a coffee with me and just sit and chit chat. This is the best part of YouTube, guys. Thank you for letting me come into your homes and make a connection. But now let's get into my kitchen because I want to show you what I have done here. I love this kitchen. I do. It's small, but it's really impactful. Okay, here I got my little bar area and I added this little mirror. I don't think I've ever shown this part. And I have this gorgeous ginger jar that I filled with fall leaves. And I just think it looks so beautiful. Okay, so you've been with me. You know that little hutch used to be baby blue. And now it's this charcoal black. I love it. I love it. I think it fits in much better and it grounds the space and gives you something really interesting to look at and it pops up. My coffee bar is my absolute favorite little area. I have decorated to my heart's content. And I'm telling you, I used everything on here that I love so much. And yes, coffee is my love. Okay, the kitchen, the heart of the home, right? The heart of the home. We all love our kitchens. I love this kitchen. It might be small, but my God, does it fit everything I have? And I get to decorate. I love, love, love this. I added this Mackenzie Child wreath, inspired wreath, guys. It's not real Mackenzie Child, it's inspired. And then I love decorating the tops of my cabinets because I have huge, huge tall ceilings. So that's a really good part of this. And I just love the black and white with the fall touches. And in a white kitchen, it just looks so nice and crisp. And I am not fussy with my countertops. I don't like a lot of stuff on my countertops. I just like just enough. So that's what I like to do. And doesn't it look so cute? And yes, the fans are going because it is hot. It is very hot down here. This is one view that I truly enjoy. I like when I wash dishes and look into the living room. I love this view of my house. And wow, I can't believe how much I've done in such a short period of time. Can you believe we've only been here 4 months? Now, there is a lot of things that I still want to do, a lot that I want to change out. So I hope you come back and follow me on my adventures. You're going to see my house getting a whole bunch of new stuff and transformed. But guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tour, and I hope you can notice all the little details and all the touches of fall all over the house. Okay guys, one last look, and I want to show you a nighttime look. So I had this pre-recorded, and I can't wait for you to see how cozy it looks at night. I'm telling you, look at the glow. I love the glow at night. The candles and the soft lighting and the fall colors and candles going, and you just feel all cozy and comfortable. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really hope you enjoyed this. I absolutely love decorating. Thank you for letting me share my passion with you. I can't tell you all, especially my subbies, how much you all mean to me. I really, really, really appreciate you, each and every one of you, all the likes, the comments, the love that you show me, and the support for me, my family, and my small business. I'm telling you, I so appreciate it. I hope you have a beautiful and blessed fall season ahead. I am so looking forward to Christmas because that is my favorite time of the year. And I hope you come back and see what we do for Christmas because I'm very, very excited for that. And always be blessed, always be thankful, and always be grateful for everything that we have. Because there is someone out there that is worse off than us. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And you're always welcome in my home. Okay, my sweet peeps, so that is the end of the video. What do you think? What do you think? Did you like it? I know, right? Over the top. I mean, a little like me, a little over the top. I like it, you know, over the top. There's something for everyone in here. Blue and white for fall. Mackenzie Child for fall. Traditional colors for fall. A modern farmhouse for fall. I mean, you name it, I got it in here. I got it in here. But it flows, it flows. It has a flow. We even added a little bit of glam because, you know, I like that bling. But now that I've done this, and I cannot believe it is my official 2021 fall home tour, and we really haven't been in this house for that long, I want to express my gratitude and my thanks to you all. None of this would be possible if it wasn't for you guys. There is no word in the English dictionary that I can say thank you enough or express my true gratitude on how much joy you all bring to my life. I love doing YouTube, love it. I love doing YouTube. It is my favorite thing to do. It's my happy place. I love doing YouTube. And I love doing it because I get to connect with the most amazing, amazing people out there. So thank you. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. I'm truly honored, thankful, blessed. My gratitude is beyond belief that you allow me to come into your homes and share my passion for decor, share my decorating, share my sense of humor, my quirkiness, and all the other things that I do. Thank you so much for allowing me to do that. And it really, truly means the world to me. And you all mean the world to me. So I hope you have a beautiful and blessed Monday. And remember, on my channel, every Monday, we declare what we want to come into our lives and kick all that awful negativity out the window. Bye-bye. So, and if you're new here, yes, I love a Monday. And I'll see you next Monday. So come back and see me again. Okay, guys, I will see you on Wednesday. Let's have, we're going to start Christmas. I think we're going to start Christmas. Okay, maybe a little Halloween. We'll see. We'll talk about it on Wednesday. Have an amazing week ahead. Have a beautiful and blessed Monday. Have an amazing, amazing week. And I'll see you very, very soon. Mwah. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.